Hey guys, Ryan Irwin here with you, and today I'm going to show you what I like to do as a warm-up before I do my upper body training sessions. Now, this is something that I do after I've done foam rolling, dynamic stretching, getting the next step and getting ready for the training session. So, grab yourself a moderate band, okay, put it around something secure, okay, it's going to come around here and put a little bit of tension on the band. Again, this is a warm-up, this isn't very strenuous. Come out here like you're going to bench press and start internally rotating those shoulders, okay? Get nice range of motion. Find that spot where you're most tight. So, in other words, you can go wide or you can go narrow. It doesn't matter, but you're gonna get the nice fluid range of motion. I like to do about 10 repetitions or so. Then you're gonna go the other way, okay? Certainly rotate that. Just feel those shoulders get warmed up. Again, find where it's tight and work that motion, okay? Now from here, we're going to bring those arms up to about 90 degrees. We're going to internally rotate and get those rotators nice and warmed up. Again, if you need to step back a little bit to lessen the tension, that's okay. Okay? Just like that. Again, do about 10 reps or so. And then the last thing we're going to do is while we're in this position, go into basic, just a bench press, just like this. Again, good stretch, good squeeze, nice range of motion, nothing crazy. Just get the blood flowing, just like that. Okay, now again, this is something that I'm absolutely going to do on the days that I do upper body pressing, but any upper body session. Sometimes it's good even to do it on an off day or maybe before a lower body session just to get the blood in the shoulders going. So hope you enjoy. Give it a shot at your next training session.